How can I use an affiliate marketing postback event? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. What is a postback event and how can I use one in my business? As a freelance digital marketer, one of the real powerful aspects of our business is the level of automation we can put in place to drive our businesses forward. This is often called passive or semi-passive income, and is quite real, as those in our industry know. We all understand the value of having an email list, of subscribing your leads to the list from your opt-in page, and how much value there is delivering offers and value-packed emails to that list over time. The industry standard benchmark is $1 per list member per month. So if you have 10,000 people on your list, you should be earning $10,000 a month by mailing to that list. But if you are marketing a key product to your list, someone purchases that product, do you keep sending them emails to buy that same product? If you do, and your list members are anything like mine, you are annoying them and making them feel like you are not paying attention to their actual needs, and maybe even that you don't appreciate their business. That's bad, as you want them to stay on your list for future offers, both offers that will work for their business and that will earn you additional commissions. So when someone purchases the main offer from your funnel, you need to move them to a mailing campaign where you still provide value, where you offer them additional products or services to support their business, but you stop offering the main product they already purchased. I talk about this in another video on this channel titled How Should You Segment Your Email List? But I'll show you the mechanics of how to do this with Aweber in this video. I'll also show you how to automate this process with an example from one of my affiliate products. First, the mechanics at Aweber. Aweber's help videos will walk you through this if you ask the right questions. But the key to this is you are not moving your subscriber from one list to another. You are simply moving them between campaigns and keeping them on the same list. You do this with a tag. Your first primary campaign will have as its trigger to start campaign on subscribe and trigger campaign for new subscribers. Your second campaign will be to start on tag applied and trigger campaign when a specific tag is added. Here's how I set those up. My list and my first campaign are both named Challenge. This is where I put people who opt into my list for my primary offer from this affiliate company. The campaign starts on subscribe for new subscribers. The second campaign is called Purchased, and this is where I move them once they have purchased the initial offer. This campaign starts when a specific tag is applied to the subscriber record. In Aweber, I have automation options defined for the challenge campaign, and the subscriber automation in place is based on the addition of a tag to the subscriber record. When the tag Purchased is applied to a subscriber, Aweber adds them to the purchased campaign and removes them from the challenge campaign automatically. Aweber does this for me. All I need to do is tag the subscriber. When the volume of sales for the initial offer are low, you can easily do this manually when you get a sale. For the first few months I offered this product, I set an alarm on my phone for the end of the day, checked to see if I had any new sales, and manually tagged the subscribers. This worked great. As I am a big fan of automation, particularly as sales increase and these non-value added tasks take more time, it was time to automate this tagging of users when a sale occurs. Fortunately, the affiliate company in this case offers something called a postback service for its sales funnels. You can get data when someone lands on the sales funnel after going through your link, when they hit the checkout page, and most importantly, when they purchase. There is different data available for all three options. The data we will use for this automation comes when a purchase occurs. The initial setup requires you to generate a security key by entering a security phrase so you can use this in your automation and make sure that the data is actually coming from your affiliate link. I won't be using the security hash in this example. The URL field on this page is the webhook URL from Zapier, which we will create in a future step. You will need to come back here and fill in this field later. Let's take a quick look at the data that's available for each postback event. This can be tailored to your needs to some degree, but I leave them alone. For the funnel hit, we get the name of the funnel and some additional supporting data. None of this is useful for our current automation project. The data supplied is different for a checkout hit, of course. And again, we're not going to use this data for our example. What we will be using is the purchase postback, and there are a couple of key fields here that we will pick up in the automation. You don't need to pay attention to most of the fields in the message, but the ones we will be using are product ID and customer email. The intermediate service we will use to automate the addition of a tag to the subscriber at Aweber is called Zapier. At Zapier, we will create a zap with 5 steps. The first is a catch hook. It captures the incoming information from the postback event, which is also called a webhook. The second step tests the value of the product purchased to make sure that this is the product we care about for this zap. There are multiple products from this affiliate company, so we need to check this. The third step adds a delay before we take action in Aweber. Why the delay? If someone goes directly from my opt-in page to the sales page and purchases the product, I don't want to move them to my purchased campaign until they receive the first email, which gives them the lead magnet ebook from my offer. Because of this, I will delay taking action for 20 minutes, which won't hurt anything and will keep that edge case from happening where they miss the first email in the challenge campaign. After the delay, we will use their email address to find them and pull their subscriber data from Aweber so that we have their subscriber ID, which is required to update their record and set the tag. Then in the last step, we actually set the tag. Once we do this, Aweber will automatically move them to the purchased campaign, and they will start to get the correct set of emails. This same approach can be used with any email autoresponder, and since many affiliate companies offer either a webhook or something similar for automation purposes, you can make this pro-level change in your campaign management if you so desire. For me, I like the peace of mind that my customers will get the appropriate email and appreciate that I know when they purchased and don't keep asking them to purchase again. This change of email campaigns will occur if I'm actively monitoring sales, or if I'm out on a luxury yacht in Micronesia, or hiking to Machu Picchu in the Andes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe on YouTube or like and follow on Facebook. In either case, share it with a friend, leave me a comment. I can really use the support. Until next time, life is good.